Hello members of the Bridgewood Club. Welcome to the new episode. Today we're gonna cook. We're gonna show you guys how to do the shrimp palm bao. This is the appetizer we got in the menu now. So let's go to do it. We're gonna use fresh arugula. We're gonna use the kimchi, red cabbage, green cabbage, shrimp, buttermilk, flour, and chipotle aioli. So first of all, we're gonna use do the Kimchi Slaw. We're gonna put the 3 ingredients. We mix it out a little bit, and we got the slaw. So here we got the shrimps. We're gonna put in the buttermilk. This flour, we mix it out with a little bit onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit paprika to give a little bit nice and red color on it, and a nice flavor, salt, and a little bit pepper. And we throw it in the fry. Maybe it's gonna take like a minute and a half. And then this side we got the steam bun. We're gonna steam just for a minute and a half is the most. Steam bun. If you cook it up a little bit more, they're gonna be so hard. Okay, so the shrimps are ready, and we kind of build it. We're gonna put a little bit of arugula in the shrimps, and we put it on the plate. And this is the Kimchi Slaw, and we got a little bit on the chipotle aioli on top. For decoration, to look nice, the plate, little bit fresh herbs. And this is the shrimp palm bao.